Did you know you can make money with Excel skills? Excel, a cornerstone in today's digital world, isn't just for number crunching. It's a potential gold mine. Stay tuned as we delve into the different ways you can turn your Excel skills into a money-making machine. First off, have you considered freelancing? It's a fantastic platform to offer your Excel wizardry. There's a high demand for Excel experts who can perform a variety of tasks. From data analysis to report creation, businesses are constantly on the lookout for individuals who can transform raw data into insightful information. Picture yourself helping these businesses make informed decisions, all while earning from your Excel expertise. Remember, freelancing is a great way to monetize your Excel skills, but it's not the only way. How about sharing your knowledge and becoming an Excel tutor? Imagine the potential in creating an online course or offering private tutoring sessions. By sharing your Excel expertise, you're not only empowering others with a vital skill, but you're also turning your knowledge into a profitable venture. This method of income generation is a wonderful blend of philanthropy and entrepreneurship. Teaching others can be rewarding and profitable, but what if you could earn without actively working? Ever thought of creating Excel templates or add-ins? Here's a thought. You can design custom templates or add-ins that help businesses streamline their processes. Imagine you could create a budget tracker, a sales report generator, or even a project management tool. Businesses are always on the lookout for ways to improve efficiency, and your tailor-made Excel solutions could be just what they need. And the best part? Once created, these templates and add-ins can provide a passive income stream, making your Excel skills work for you. So how can you make money with Excel skills? Well, you can freelance, offer Excel tutoring, or create innovative templates and add-ins. Each avenue holds immense potential. Now you see, your Excel skills can be a gold mine. It's time to dig in and start making money